Hi everyone! Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. But before we start, let me explain what CJ Dropshipping is first. CJ Dropshipping is a platform integrated with product sourcing, order processing, and shipping fulfillment. Dropshippers list or connect products on CJ to their stores. Then, CJ draws orders from their stores and takes care of them. Anyways, after that short information about CJ Dropshipping, let us now begin with our tutorial for today. Okay, first things first, open up the browser that you are using on a daily basis. In my case, I will be using Google Chrome. Next, what you are going to do is to open up your CJ Dropshipping. To open it, click on your browser and then type in CJ Dropshipping. What you are going to look for your screen is CJ Dropshipping. So once you have searched it up, click the link that says CJ Dropshipping Dropshipping from worldwide to worldwide. And when you press that link, you will be directed to their website. Once you are in CJ Dropshipping website, you will be greeted by the main menu and all of the items and categories of items that you can check out. You can even scroll down to find out all of the popular items currently that are being sold online. But for us to proceed, reminder that you will not be buying any products. What we are going to do is to log in into your account, or sign up if you do not have a CJ Dropshipping account yet. To do this, what you are going to do is to press the Sign In button on the top right of your screen. Pressing this will bring you to a login page where you can input your credentials. However, if you do not have an account yet, what you just have to do is to press the Sign Up Here button above. After you have logged in your account or after you have created your account, what you want to do is to press Authorization. And you may find it on the selection above. Once you have pressed Authorization, what will happen is a drop-down will appear showing all of the other e-commerce websites that can be connected to CJ Dropshipping. But reminder that we are just going to select Etsy since it is our main task for this tutorial. So, doing this will bring you to another page yet again. In here, it will show you that you haven't authorized any stores yet. So, all you have to do is just press the Add Store button. Pressing this button will bring you to a new page where it will ask you to sign in to the e-commerce website that you have selected earlier, which happens to be Etsy. In that case, it will take me to Etsy. Also, if you have already signed into Etsy, this confirmation will no longer appear for you. In this page, a confirmation text will appear saying, "An application would like to connect to your account." And if you read the texts that are stated, it will show you a list of all the things that you are allowing with this connection. I advise you to read it all, and what you are going to do after is to press the grant access if you have agreed to all of the things that are stated in that message. After granting the access, you can now rest assured that you have now successfully connected Etsy and CJ Dropshipping. And that's it! You can now connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!